Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genji Overwatch 2 Stadium, only way. Immediately focus on dash resets, shuriken bursts, and smart deflect timing to pressure enemy backline. Use high ground to angle surprise attacks, conserve swift strike for escapes and resets, and prioritize isolating supports quickly. Communicate cooldowns to your team, bait abilities before committing, and practice double jump timings in custom games to refine accuracy and agility. Practice shuriken combos by alternating left and right clicks for maximum damage, then weave in melee strikes when safe. Save Dragon Blade for team wipes or to punish split enemies, but coordinate with stun or sleep combos. Use deflect aggressively to turn fights and capitalize on exposed enemies, then swift strike to escape if needed. Keep awareness of enemy cooldowns and ultimate economy to choose optimal engagement windows. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use between matches for quick energy and zero spills. Also, they fit perfectly in most gaming bags for quick transport. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Seriously, they save time so you can practice more Dragon Blade combos. Now let's get back to the video. Positioning dictates Genji's success. Always approach from unexpected angles to isolate a priority target. Target healers first, then damage dealers who overextend, and avoid trading into enemy tanks alone. Maintain escape routes and track enemy crowd control so you don't get stunned mid-combo. Regularly communicate with your team to exploit picks, and use environmental kills on Stadium when possible by forcing enemies near edges or drops during Dragon Blade sequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.